I want to clear the bush around the fence of my house. And inside this bush, I know snails are many. So today, I want to start the clearing of the bush. You see, you can see it. The vegetable that we planted, climbing stem, climbed over the fence. Likewise, many weeds from the other plot of land that is not being cultivated and is not built. It's an unbuilt plot of land, you can see. So I decided to clear this bush so that we could have some fresh air coming into the house. So follow along as I go. Like I told you, snails are plenty inside this bush. And you can see the fence here. Take note of the fence. Right here you can see one snail. Right there. Yes. When we enter into the bush, we will see what happens. Let us go. So I'm going to climb up using this ladder to enter into the building. To enter into that bush. Yes. Let's go. Let's descend into this bush. Alright. Let's go. The work has started. Yes. The bush clearing is now in progress. You can see where we have cleared, and as we are doing it, we are finding snails in their natural habitats. Yes. You can see the bush clearing, how far we've gone. Yes. And you can see snails. Look at this one, their natural habitats. Look at them. Inside the cleared bush, you see snails. Big one, small one, various sizes. You can see them. See them where they are gathered. You can see them here. They are trying to move away now. Where they have been gathered. They are moving away. Yes. Alright. Oh, look at another one. Down there, undisturbed. Yes. Can you see that? Down there. It's there, right there. Far away. Can you see it? Far away. In between the fence and the block that was abandoned here long time ago. We can see the snail. Yes. Can you see it? Let's watch. I want to pick it up. It's a big one. Yes. Big one. Can you see that? Big one, enjoying itself inside the cool habitat. Yes, there are many here. Yes, we pick as many as possible today. Surely. Yes. You can see them. There are plenty. Yes. We're going to pick more inside this bush today. As long as we are clearing the bush, we will see them. Do you know that snails are nocturnal animals? They come alive in the darkness of the night. In the day, they go to sleep. They are all sleeping right now. That is why we are picking them. They are not moving. They are just stagnant somewhere, resting for the day. So that in the night, they will come out once again. Yes, that is what we see here. By the way, if you want to know how you can catch snails without effort, I can teach you how to do that. Check my next video. I'm going to produce a video and show you how to prepare something, herbal something with fruits, how you can use it to catch snails. Watch out. Bush clearing continues. injured one big snail with my cutlass. Oh gosh. This one is badly injured with my cutlass. Cut it heavily. Can you see the injury? Very bad injury. I hope this one will not die. Yes. I don't see it. It was under the leaves till I heard a sound of my cutlass cutting something that is hard. A hard surface. Then I noticed something is there. Oh yeah, I'll take it. Another one is fine. Yes. I said it. There are many. And we are going to catch all of them. Now I want to cut all of this because our planted vegetable, the ugu leaf, is among them. That is why I'm being careful. Oh, I cut the ugu stem. It is a climbing stem, and I cut it out, and that side will die away. Physical work, tiring, but I will not get tired until I finish it. Yes, this is where I am now, and I'm going to continue until I get to down along the line, the fence. Right now, these are the first catch. We're going to bring them into a container. Yes, so that you should not try to move away while I continue the work. Yes. That's the first catch. Big one, small one, various sizes. Can you see? Can you see this? Yes. The big ones are there. Big one. Now, I'm going to continue the work. Let me take my cutlass once again. Yes. Taking my cutlass so that the work can continue. Bush clearing work can continue. And as we go, we will see how many snails we get. Yes. One of the problems in rural environments. They have bushes cared for by some people, and then they don't consider it important to clear the bush. Yes, but for our own safety in my house, we need to do this. Snakes can follow the bush and come into the house. Different wild animals can follow the bush and come into the house. Problem of rural environment. That's what you see. That's what you experience. There are two of them. One is here, right here, under this small leaf. There's another one far away here, making two right now. Yes, I'm picking them up right away. Yes, these are medium sizes. By the way, do you know the name of this snail? The scientific name or botanical name is Achatina maginata. Can you see it? Can you see the rounded tip of the shell? Yes, that is Achatina maginata. It's used to grow up to very large table size. Achatina maginata. There are other species. We have Achatina and we have Achatina feluca. When we see them, we'll show them to you. Yes, you can see them. See one here in the natural environment. See it on the wall. Yes, yeah. Just resting, sleeping until the night. When it will come out, to come and eat again. Yes, we'll catch this one. Yeah, you can see it. It's medium size, Achatina maginata. That is it. Medium size. It's not yet table size, but it's actually big. Getting to the end. Yes. Yes. The work is almost done. Yes. Oh. Yes. By the way, if you are interested, this big plot of land is for sale. 3 acres and a half. It's for sale. If you are interested, please send me a message or watch the video on my channel where I advertised this land. That is the entrance gate to the big plot of land. Gradually, I'm coming to the end of this strenuous work today. Gradually, I'm going to the end. Yes. That is it. I've come to the end of the bush clearing. It was tedious, tiring, and strenuous. But finally, I was able to overcome the bush for today. Until next time, I'm going to catch all this today. When the bush clearing job turn into snail hunting expedition. That is it. Yes, the job is done. Yes, the bush behind my fence has been cleared. You can see that now. Yes, yes. It's a tough job, stressful, strenuous, but we are able to achieve it. Yes, final work we can see. Yes, yes. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you are yet to do so, please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.